Aji amikan yade Kahuto Chishi lo de khota krule aigna ase. Aro tai idu mamla do GB Chumukadima village Krezo Shoyabra ekta press release dishe kali that is on 25th October taibra kwado the first line de kwado Dimapur belongs to all Nagas. Chumukadima village is the traditional owner. Holebi Kahuto Chishi taibi ekta GB ase or taibra bi kwado taila statements can be yes it's true and he believes his statements. Holebi taibi kwa ase GB Chumukadima village labi true hobo pare facts everybody has their sources aro taira kwado all the facts that GB Chumukadima village pra kwado taila press release de husa ho pare but idu kafi asna noy to say that Chumukadima is the traditional owner of Dimapur. I be sabo idula interview. Sir Kahuto Chishi, thank you so much. Amina Lord Kutakule. Sir abni itya just recently GB Chumukadima village pra ekta press release dishe. Aro abni ke अपनी ला comments ला ऊपर दे इदु अपनी की भावना আছে তাই কোয়াদো হুসা আছে do you agree with him তাই lot agree করি না না করে আর ইলা ऊपर দে আপনি লা ভাবনা কি আছে
First na thank you so much আপনি অন ইন্ডিয়া টাইম ট্রাভেল ওয়াটো মলা ভাবনা লগনি বিদি সাবি ইতু মই বি কালি আই am on ইমান প্রম মই বতাইছো মেসেজ না WhatsApp মেসেঞ্জার গান আলচিবে লাগিছে তো ফার্স্ট 2 3 তো মই map people ties. You could be one. Do Angami Naga, the Angami Naga, published by J. Shatton. Na, to tie the map digging na Angami Lamati here. Do anyway. So, we serious one. In a sense, or Taibi Tala Kisa Quasi, we will more our point of view quasi. Na, you do it's not a legal case, no, case one, no, na. Neutral opinion there say that be free as we be free as to moi ko serious lo ne ole be man ki ba we do ni ma ji Facebook to lo na lo ba gi ni post kuri so si tai bi ta la opinion na se moi mula opinion na se tai bi ta la source se moi mula source se to case no do na to moi interview bi ni ko bole di bole mon thaka nai but hopefully apni an bi ta la views bi canvas ko bole asula no anyway just clear there itu ko Jamela nai, I've got no problem. Eh, taiki kwese, kobi, right? We to right kwabin, we wrong kwabin. Tai do we to wrong I say kwese, kun we. Kini mi do case no do. Case loyally to pasudi. See, duita manu, noeli duita party na, jagar woni kulap na do. Independent third party na, educator like it. To koda court case kule do kota. Tabi talo so sani mo mola so sani mo. No, nothing serious. Na. That all have indirect probably ni insalbi gurese. Apni ki bosti la gan prize ki na.
Ito de apni kiba ko munjay.
Well, liki sur Facebook din na si. I don't mind. Na. Oi, mondo naga manu bitoti. Ki misa ode. Simikani as custom of establishing colony village, satellite colonies villages. They ito ro mon for fathers prize. Well established fact. British time Brahmont ini alak na jaga thi na so mudu oi Lokobo village originally ato is a subdivision Namoto district but 1969 di mola baba itu town di gor bana den di tu busti khuli do efficient na that is towards just Dansri na Bogajan na opposite yes Dansri river yes or mon itu tu manon na jane mon do government lot help bi manga bi no hoy SM police, SM forest kan bra again ghor bangai digena na dekhi sob chapta kori digena na dhan ti na chaul ti kerosene dali digena bosi mane arrest kori difu di jail di rakha na nondu itam ku not be ai mon ye modot kori na Nagaland government Nagaland police mata na do olive last ti at too much kori na 1978 years milai gena ini manu katika di jail tadi settler kan itu pasudi center by be aigena na ki bawna dispute disturb area koina aji tak CRB we are under thing CRB na so oi tandu na jani bu monkey buste na blame grabi no
aro taira kwabi ase the no individual should engage in distortion of recorded historical facts तो have you distorted some facts in your statements अपने इको
हाँ।
अपने ला statements इदो आगे दे interview खाने दिया दो इदो अपने अलग मिसा को ऐसे ना factual facts
Itu one
दे base
kwa see tie to tell a source I do. Nah, it is separate. It may be separate from my source.
how confident are you of your source
I'm 100% confident. I've been writing and speaking in public for 7 years running now. 148 articles I've written. There has not been one valid counter against any of my articles. There's not been one valid argument against any of my interviews. To study kuredo. Tanbi study kuredo wala because my interview dia to shiti no iso. See, itu interview dia bi sabi na manu mo ki accuse kura to na. Moi Mia ke support kure ase, moi Muslim ke support, moi plain manu ke support. Moi to khali explain kure thaki so kinya kure ge na yeti na town di na. Aru moi to khali dimo bola kwani di across Nagaland na town ga na town GB kham to itu to criteria nai na government pa khushi. That was all I was trying to say. Only with that bit distortion na aru itia to mati la kota di gai jese ki ko na.
so अपनी भी आगे दे को निशना कौन भी अपनी के इको case भी file करना है of your facts अपनी मानो कि मन बिया पाइले भी there is no backup for them that you are wrong अपनी गलती वैसे कोई ना तो इधला हिसाब से तो if that is true and all these are true in the first line itself Chumou की दिमा GB लगा press release ते लिखना से Dimapur belongs to all Nagas Chumou की दिमा village is the traditional owner would you like to अपनी को comment करो मुझे
Moi to bishu khushe paise de because to Naga mano khan to na we had that mistaken notion na that I do tan semala mate as all mate as angamila na. So I think it was published in 2018 na Nagaland PhD points to ponder win. To tati moi likhi je na Naga manu to mati to na tribe pra hol no na village na or village to be clan na so in the way it's an improvement Chumou bosti la se what na so I've got no issues na or if I'm distorting facts na moi misa ko ase bole what litigation asdo court na ni they can take me to court.
okay
See,
that you are
yeah.
अपनी if they believe believe correctly अपनी wrong as गलती कुछ है
yeah.
court take
Yes, I'm ready. See, I lay my life on the line when I write, when I speak. Court case to me as
and so ido issue do GB taluktar na issue ra ulaishe
Oyo.
and another GB now is writing against you you have spoken not for but just in a very unbiased manner apni ekta unbiased manner right ta khuda korise 1 GB about another GB now another GB has come in the picture now idu to GB khala majude idu ki boil kuri ase ki idu ki ulai ase
Na moi itu GB talukdar la kotha kwa time di GB talukdar la kwa time di moi take support kurabi no do moi koise it happens because there is no criteria for appointment of town GBs or moi koisu bhal pro huni bi na de apni or kwan wali bi moi la detractors kanki moi tadi koisu moi Nagaland GB Federation or bi jagara korisi do regarding town GB town GB do criteria thakibo like and GB is an oxymoron in the town meaning words which don't go together gao bosti azu do bura okay to mo suggestion bi in colony elder ward elder aru name bi change koribe koise moi ko suggestion Nagaland GB and town elders nole ward elders federation but they want to hang on to GB to itu problem itu ko azu but only be kwanis na ini dushman tu kiki only be bisaribo apne la galdi no ini tai bi tala angle ki angle brazil mo na jeni tai ki kure ase minimum is not a very serious issue mo to history la ko ase to tan bi tan history ase so it's okay everybody is free to have his own views on anything mo to sabina naga manno Palestine or Israel with you man jagara kori ase. Well, I cannot change your view. You cannot change mine, no?
Maybe don't you think if village elder,
Uh,
and you said now I'm going to say village elder or a GB, now it's still apni khan inega apni la views ko ase aro ekta manu ina views ko ase it will be it's written here misleading the people, so now ekta GB ba alak khota kura ase ekta GB ba alak khota kura ase, be it whatever village the
yes,
GB
yes.
is from, Naga laga history khota kura ase to idu apni la side, don't you think it is wrong that some would believe GB Chumukadima village, GB Kahuto Chishi?
Everybody must do his own research. Nijo bisare sabi na. Tai bitala source to dize. Mo do itala ke ko source diane de kali do map dize. Na map ini sabi tadi ki likhi na ase. Na so it was na aro itu na what is the point na? Itu newspaper di paper one hile na ini ada interview di na accusation na it's not a forum na ini you can clarify what you want to say na mo do clarification dia ase and then na dagan ki intention is ki nimidi ko is itu to na my own intention is to educate nagas itarak to I've got no selfish motives no anything na only get awareness na yes
tahan bi man diri do press release to khotaishe after your statement apni bi ki bhabna ase that ki le man diri lushi do press release
I am not bothered na dagan itu dagan ni jane and I wouldn't go into that na
Bishi bi dwell na korbo GB taluktar la upore only it has of course it's a petty issue nishna hoise iman uproar thakise when it first came out iman dangor jui olaise holibi it fizzled out and to apni bi idu de and icha tai suspend hina ase 3 months lane from the GB federation to inegala mamla de in these petty issues to make such big steps, so now you could be the next person to be targeted and maybe GB Chumukadima village target ho pare any GB for that matter.
Well, from my side I couldn't give a target no gori wo I'll say what I believe to be true manobra moi ni kiman mo get target korul man ase koribi na life threat tak bi pai na ase na it's okay na aro etia to moi bi manu to grow korilo na moi poila to moi bi itu organization kan na authority kan state government holibi underground holibi na tribal body kan holibi na all of respect thagise ita rum ko respect nai to tan ki guru mai ju kuribi it was
and this non naga ekta GB hu bole tai ekla no hai, it opened a can of worms as if that he was the only non naga so itla upor do you think nagas are they need more awareness bishi lage in different aspects of the waking life social aspects there
every aspect forget about demographic na nijo bosti di first correction kori na last time itu parent district man jaluki na sabi na itu tak nijo bosti bin na pare aur iti town la kota koi na iti kwa khan kobido kiman sal pra na tan la ancestor kan iti boy na sa town na then talk na kiman sal iti boy se then they will know what Dimapur was like and what it is like now 나가면 아직까지 보스티브를 하기는 Dimapur 아이세 Nagaland 아이세 kilé plane money man 아이세 plane man 나가면 누구 프레임은 비시 아이제 so itu see everybody has a different perspective na jump out of your well itu ko ese guati bohi takigena na hala kore ko kam nai itu Nagaland dima chota ese to
aro coming back to again the press release GB Chumukadima village pra likhado taibe idu likhado what do you think tai apni ke expect kore ase ekta response to ki expect kore ase or if there is no response or it was just his thoughts taila nijo thoughts
I think it was that tai nijo tagan bi mo itu kwa pra establish kore mona ase wala that Chumou Dima to itu Dima bok to takang na tai kise na. So
That you agree?
no, I don't
What?
agree, but I'm not disputing. Na, it is what. Kin win mo kuiso itu Dimapur. It was the historical capital of the Dimasa kingdom. To tai itu bi deny kore kinesu to. Tala de bhalra puri bi to. Na. So it's okay. Aru tai ending ni bish polite pra ending kore. I don't mind.
And again, coming back to the previous statement also before this question, Abniba Kwado, take care of what is happening in your village first before coming to the towns. And but Mohalla village level, like Jaluki, Ki Huishe, the village council chairmen, the village council as a whole, tahan ichado apology letter, stopping them from filing RTIs, whether the truth may be whatever it is. You think the power should lie in the village council, the GBs, the village elders to give this much authority to take the law into their hands? What is the
Sabina, itu na power corrupts. Itu saying as itu na I forgot which American president na power corrupts. I think it Roosevelt as well. And absolute power corrupts absolutely. Kiman power thakibo inman abuse kurido. It is a way of life. Only public awareness thakibo lage or fight kuribo lage. Only then can you na stop abusing. Sabina nature bosti manu school भी बाल ना थाकी ना रास्ता भी बाल ना थाकी ना खालो भी ना थाकी ना मन की तो दिमाग कुन लाए से तुम मिल जाकरा पड़े जो कुन बाबरा क्वेश्चन ने की मोय लाए से अपनी तारी बोली बोलना पड़े हुई ना we are all living our own lives ना that is my message ना itu Jalukila case too it's not unique I have come across hundreds of cases RTI la ना तो मैं advice दिए कि last 2 years पर मैं क्या advice दे जाने मानो RTI file करे बोले मैं नौकरी भी बोले why because purpose of RTI is to get the government's attention to take action Nagaland action in Norway so next step you'll have to go to court you'll have to hire lawyer out of pocket जाएगा ना मैं तो नहीं मुझे को पैसा खाई लोगी blackmail make it unprofitable for them to be corrupt. I'm a realist.
So I was just I say you're a realist and you do have many Abnikala followers on social media, even in your political career. So aro holibe manu bishi dislike kura bhi ase apnike. So kile dislike kure? What is your thoughts on that? Your personal thoughts on why are you disliked by so many? If you feel that apni realistically khuda kore ase.
Sabi itu na 2019 di itu Northeast Human Rights Law Network from my invite kuri moi tadi kotha kuri de or nexus of corruption in Nagaland itu government church civil society silence of media and underground camp na tan milai na itu new tribe of Nagaland tan maju tribe nahi de tribalism nahi de na only for so I have offended every one of them na to tati pra benefit kura khan tu na moi ke ini they can't stand moi ke bardash karna pare aru moi ke rokhi thake do ini moi mistake kore bune ki na sabi 2017 days old moi newspaper ti likhisu do Dimapur does not belong to the Simis to time di man moi guess mon simi kan brai moi ki last time moi janis do against kura khan bi ase ole support kura khan bi ase only ba aru ekta underground faction bra te sabi na to ita do aru church manu dum moi ke sabule mun nai aru ita do itu Palestine la issue bra aru itu Bible fanatic kan bra moi ke sabule mun nai so I've got a section of enemies I've got enemies from every section of society ole moi the care because my stand is based on the absolute truth. Moi nimidi black, white, no shades of grey. Nah, right is right, wrong is wrong. Or if I keep silent, itu my papa is. So like it. Can you understanding mo kidis do? Type right dia is. Tungu itu no cholele itu Bible di kisah itu talents kan dia tu na. Tu no cholan is na so. Type mo ki talent tek tadi is do. Puchi boleh. So I have to share what I know, what I understand.
So lastly mo do munjalo overall mohan yade apni idu GB Chumou village press release diya nimide and he is not accused I would say but he is claiming the history to be different from
Yes,
apni
yes,
ki
yes,
kuishe.
yes.
And most of the issue is that in the press release, his version. So, Abnivi, lastly, what do you want to say regarding that press release as a whole? We have already discussed it. What is your thoughts? But now, as just few lines that you would like to end this conversation with in regard to this particular
To
issue.
tai tadi instances di ginas tu na. Why? Tala claims kan takan tax lo ita kiki. I'm not denying de. But does the sum of the parts make up the whole? Na, kothai tu esu tu. De. Apni 100 punchi boleh mon hoile na numbers kan boleh tu na. To numbers kan saat time dia punchan is only count kori sagi na itu 100 punchi kothai tu esu ne. Sum of the parts doesn't make up the whole. Does all his claims no solidifies their claim that Dimapur belongs to Chumou village? Question it as well. And there is not for me or anyone to say no. That's for court of law to decide.
And you're open for them to bring in the proof?
No, itakan to tadi proof this do na. I'm not disputing
I mean,
the set of facts.
Yes.
They have given a certain set of facts. Na facts itu this. I'm not disputing the facts. What I'm saying is those facts add up to establishing the claim that Dimapur belongs to. Any question like that? Oh, like itu 90s says Nagaland Post the first daily newspaper tagis do. Oh, ladu ora Mail or Nagaland Times tagis ola weekly newspaper. To early edition takan itu as nine lagi. Tadi ekta example letter likhin as do. Tadi likha do itu na Naga manula aise ko Dimapur. Naga la for do kun pra itu Kachari Rajbari na tadi itu statue kan बनाए से itu दिए ना जैसे और इतना आजकल छोकरा kan ना जाने वो लाइट हाउस था किसी तो सुपरमार्केट ना ब्रिज ना itu left side ना ये बार जाते हैं टाउन बार जाते हैं कोई मापरा हाथ हैं right side ये बार जाने left side light house था किसी so all these are there so my facts are there his facts are there which one adds up to
The claim.
the claim what I do मैं के लिए argue करी था ना
But now, apni Facebook te likhishe. We'll just have to wait and see na.
और मैं Facebook दी नागा मानो kan ना मैं लो झकरा को रखा ना सब Chumou na itu gambar के thanks दी हुए ना because he gave you the land itu ya मैं itu that is my ending be grateful very great man generous ऐसे man mati man ये दिया so
To the Nagas, not just to a particular
yeah to the Nagas
All right, thank you, sir.
thank you
for
so
clarifying.
much for having me.